Hello everyone, I am Gayatri and I work as a digital marketer at YUJ Designs. I would like to take you through the work environment at YUJ. So when I first joined, I was surprised that I have this incredibly nice team of people who really like and enjoy the same things as I do. Here you will get an everyday learning experience, and this is the thing I like the most about YUJ Designs. We have amazing teams of designers, developers, sales, recruitment, marketing, and with this open cultured space, you can walk into any other department and join in the discussions happening over there. We design with passion and curiosity, which make us better consultants who create impact by design. For me, YUJ Designs is a promoter to my individual growth. So if this excites you and you are somebody like me, then stop looking out and join us to YUJ family. Cheers.